Okay, once you've got that all connected, fit your connection screws, tighten your screws up, which I've tightened up there, and on to the next bit, which is plugging the wires in and then connecting the batteries, putting the cover plates back on and the interior doorknob, and it should be done. Okay, now you can see the battery pack plugged in, the wires plugged in. Come over the top here. What you can see is a little guide for running the black wire so it can sit inside the mechanism. Make sure you get that in, take your ribbon, plug your ribbon in. Bottom cap slips straight over and clicks into place. Step is to install the battery pack. This particular model takes AAA batteries. I didn't realise how difficult this was going to be doing it one-handed. Make sure you install it the correct direction. Battery pack's all plugged in. Have a look on the outside. Light lights up. That's good. We're cooking with gas. On to the next one.